Civil danger warning for the people in Baltimore. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Baltimore Police Department. An explosion happened at a research laboratory 20 miles away from the city of Baltimore. Citizens are advised to stay away from the area. Do not attempt to investigate the area and stay tuned into media outlets for more news and information. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Baltimore Police Department. The research laboratory is nowhere to be found. A black hole-like object is sucking other objects in. Scientists are trying to find ways to stop the black hole. The Baltimore Police Department is advising citizens of Baltimore to stay in their shelter till further notice. Do not leave your shelter. Do not attempt to investigate the area and stay tuned into media outlets for more news and information. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Maryland Emergency Management Agency. The Maryland Emergency Management Agency are advising the citizens of Baltimore to evacuate the city immediately. The black hole-like object is sucking in parts of the city. Failing to evacuate the city will result in certain death. Do not attempt to grab all of your items. Gather all of your family and pets and find the nearest route out of the city. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency. The Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency is advising the citizens of Philadelphia to evacuate immediately. The black hole-like object from Baltimore, Maryland has reached the city of Philadelphia. Failing to evacuate will result in certain death.
Scientists are still not able to find a way to stop the black hole from spreading. The black hole has affected and damaged a lot of areas in the United States and Canada. People have been saying that could be the end of the world. We should pray that the scientists will find a solution to end the black hole.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency. The black hole that recently started in Maryland has reached the state of Nebraska. Citizens of Nebraska are advised to leave the state of Nebraska immediately. Failing to leave the state will result in certain death. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts shall transmit this message at the request of the United States government. This is a global emergency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There is no way to stop the black hole from spreading. Scientists are estimating the black hole will suck in the rest of the world in the next hour. There is nothing you can do to save yourselves. Gather your loved ones and pets. Pray to your God or gods and try to enjoy your last hour on earth. Philippians 4:7. And the peace of God, which passeth all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Jesus Christ. Please stand by as the broadcast signs off with the national anthem.